My name is Lisa. I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same person or thing. Let's look at an example. I hurt myself while cooking. The subject of this sentence is I, and we're referring to it again here by using myself. It wouldn't make sense to say I hurt I while cooking, so we replace I with myself. They mean the same thing, it's just a different word so that the sentence sounds a little bit better. So this is the reflexive pronoun, myself. Reflexive pronouns always end in either self or selves. And here they are. The singular form, meaning just one, myself, yourself, himself, and herself. And the plurals, meaning more than one, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. All right, let's practice. Ben dried himself with a towel. We know that the subject of this sentence is Ben. So, which word in this sentence restates Ben? And if we look at this, since Ben is a man, generally speaking, Ben himself would be the reflexive pronoun because the word himself is restating who Ben is. All right, we discussed the race among ourselves. The subject of this sentence is the word we. Who is we? We, another word for ourselves. This is plural, this is plural. We always have to have singular nouns with singular reflexive pronouns and plural nouns with plural reflexive pronouns. All right, another kind. I know that I have to keep blank warm. The subject is I in this sentence, right? I know. So we're going to look for a singular reflexive pronoun. I can only refer to myself. Does that make sense? I know that I have to keep myself warm. All right, next one. Last year, Steve bought blank a book. Subject of this sentence, what do you think? Steve, because that's what the subject of the sentence is about. So Steve is generally a man's name. Steve is singular, so we're going to come and look at our things for a singular person that would normally be a man, and we're going to say himself. All right, and finally, Ellie and I won the prize for blank. All right, the subject in this sentence is Ellie and I. That's more than one, so we're looking at a plural. So Ellie and I won the prize for ourselves, yourselves, or themselves. Well, since we know we're referring to us because we have an I, it has to be ourselves. So Ellie and I won the prize for ourselves. All right. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.